How to log in to your paperless employee account. Now in order to log in to your paperless employee account, just simply open any of your browser and after that search for paperless employee in there. After that, this paperlessemployee.com link will appear in very top. Just simply open it and after going to the site, you will see this page in order to log into your company. Just simply enter your user ID in very top and enter your password in this lower box. Then tap to log in button and you will successfully be logged in to your paperless employee account. Now if it does not show your company, you can change it by going into the URL and at the very end, as you can see here, it has TJX, but instead of this you can put your company's URL in here. Just simply do that and it will successfully be opened up for your company. So this is how you can log into your paperless employee account. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.